Hi, I'm Sarah from Stampin' Up, and today we'll be making the Butterfly Garden Kit. I love having cards ready to go for when someone I know needs a little support or a big thank you, and this kit is perfect for that. This kit features lovely sentiments and beautiful butterfly die cuts that come to life with the accompanying stamp set. You can create 9 cards, 3 each of 3 designs, with kits available in English, French, and German. As we walk you through the steps to complete this kit, feel free to pause or go back to any part of the video. It's totally okay to craft at your own pace. Let's get started. cards are a great way to show love and support. If you liked crafting with a kit today, we have more kits to choose from. Just go to our online store to see the full selection. Click Shop Products and then Kits Collection to choose your next creative experience. Until next time, enjoy!